Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Trends for seasonal SEO planning step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL trends.google.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Wait for the Google Trends homepage to load. Once loaded, look for the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your Google account email. Type in your email address and click Next. Next, enter your password in the provided field. Click the Next button again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. After successful login, you will be redirected to the Google Trends dashboard. On the dashboard, you can explore trending searches and topics. To access seasonal trends, look for the Explore section. Click on the Explore option. Enter a relevant keyword or topic in the search bar. Select the appropriate drop-down options for your region and timeframe. After entering the details, click the search icon. Review the data presented, including interest over time and related queries. Use this information to plan your seasonal SEO strategies. Analyze the data to identify peak search periods and related topics. This will help inform your content creation and marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.